How to clear Safari browsing history on Apple iPhone or iPad. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Here we go. Scroll down. Navigate to the option of Safari. Once you find it, open it. Now here you're going to find different sections. Scroll all the way down. At the very bottom, you'll find the option of Advanced. Open this option. Now click on the option of Website Data. Now here you're going to find your browsing history. Now how to delete it. Click on the option of Remove All Website Data. Click on Remove Now. Likewise, head back. Come to this page. Here you will see this option Clear History and Website Data. Click on this option. Clear Time Frame. Check in for the option of All History. Then enable for this option of Close All Tabs. Click on Clear History. Once this option turns gray, that means you have deleted the Safari browsing history. Well, this way you can easily clear Safari browsing history on Apple iPhone or iPad. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel.